Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm gonna show y'all Cốc Browser, okay? This browser right here apparently is the most optimized web browser for Vietnamese. You know what I'm saying? So to me, it kind of reminds me of a UC browser or just another browser that's not mainly in the United States, but you can block ads, so it has an in-app blocker, which is pretty good. PvP mode. So basically when you're watching YouTube or anything, you can move it in and out. So that's pretty dope. And you're able to easily download videos from different websites that support it, maybe even YouTube that it shows the icon. And here how it stacks up versus the other browsers. You know, has a media panel, a sidebar, direct torrent downloads, incognito incognito with Tor sync embedded in directory. Okay, so I'm going to download it so you don't have to, and we're going to test some of these things out. So I'll be back when it's finished. Link in the description below, by the way. I'm going to put it there for you techies to download. All right, this is so dope. 30 million Vietnamese people using it. Sweet. And I know you're asking, Aqua, are you Vietnamese? Well, okay, I can explain. Right, the program is finished now. I'm going to hit close here, and it's either going to auto start or it's just going to open right up. All right, so I see we are in the browser. This is so dope. So we are now in the mix. Do I want to set it as a default browser? No. Do I want to import data? Sure. I'll be right back. All right, so it looks like you can add ChatGPT to this sidebar, which is pretty cool. Microsoft Edge also does this, but this is cool nevertheless. Ad block is off, it's on. Try YouTube now. It just says, yo, go right ahead. Listen, let's try YouTube now. All right, let's just do it. All right, let's go to AquaTechFantasy because, I mean, who is that? All right. So, oh, it says install. What the heck? Oh, install like the apps. That's cool. So you can install, the website to be an app on here, which is pretty cool. Microsoft Edge also does that. Not comparing, but I am. It looks like ad block. That's pretty cool. There's a standard mode. That's cool. There's a standard and strict, so it's really going to block ads. That's pretty dope. So let's see. All of these videos are monetized. So let's go here and see if it's blocked. All right, since you. All right, that's sweet. Okay, let's go to one more. Let me go to one of mine again so no one gets mad at me and tries to take me to I don't know. All right. Yeah, these are just working. Um how to get a virtual phone. Let's see. The browser's kind of slow loading, but it's still cool nevertheless. All right, looks like you can just download the video right here. Download video and audio. Does it just download off the rip? Or is this like a site that gotcha? Wow, this thing actually, you can change, you can download full HD mobile, full, and just download it right here. You can change the subtitles, download video. Is this all for free? It's downloading right now. Oh, it has like a IDM type of 8-part like downloader thing. Wow, and it downloads straight to your downloads. No good. Oh, this is man. All right, this browser's kind of crazy. Like they got some pre-installed things right here. Add suck what? I don't know if we should go here. This is something different. This is like a mobile ad, but like an ad. They got ChatGPT on the right side, Messenger, that's cool. Face Cook, that's lit. And they got different games here. That's also pretty cool. All right. Well, let's see. It had PIP mode, so that means the video plays like anywhere on here. They got the favorites here. Dark mode, that's cool. How do you go to PIP mode? You right click on it maybe? I know it has a mini player. YouTube does, but excuse me. Incognito window with Tor. Let's see. Disconnected to Tor. So you can go in the deep web with this. This is crazy. Disconnected to Tor. Wow. That is insane. Okay. This is pretty cool. Search tabs. Do they organize tabs though? That's the question. It doesn't look like they do, but that's cool anyway. Yeah, no, this is absolutely fire. Let's just go to bing.com and see how fast it loads. Okay, it loads pretty quickly. I'm not gonna judge it. It's pretty fire. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. If you like this, definitely check it out. Yo, shouts out to Cốc Cốc Browser. Yeah, this is pretty cool for what it is and for what it was. If you like it, the link is going to be in the description below. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.